And I feel that unless you raise a voice, as a result of which I am fighting hard to bring this Women's Commission amendments. A lot of officers also objecting to this Women's Commission amendment, let me tell you. Because I think they must be scared themselves, because if such a tool comes into force, then what happens is then there is no way out. And Rajasthan has shown the way in the country by bringing this type of amendments, this type of things, so that your issue will not only be addressed, but your issue will be addressed in such a way that the person who has to punish will be punished. And ask questions. There are several things going on. If I start sharing with you, there are several things going on in our state. As a result of which, one by one, these issues have to be addressed. But I don't believe on one thing that is there in the Women's Commission that says the people we appoint have to be from Goa only. I don't believe. I think we need to get the best resource from out so that we are able to protect our ladies in the state of Goa. For the media to understand, as we are here to protect each one of you, especially the lady journalists, and it's not because it's a women empowerment program for women journalists, I'm saying this.
So my only regret here is that though there are so many women journalists in the profession today, there's not a single woman editor in Goa till now. I hope there will be one soon, and my advice to women journalists here is don't see yourselves as women journalists. We are journalists, okay? We are as equal as anyone in this profession.